Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'm going to show you how to delete all chats in ChatGPT in just a few simple steps. If you are searching to clear ChatGPT chat history, you have come to the right place. But before we jump into it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I've also added some useful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them. Alright, let's get started. To delete all chats in ChatGPT, first of all, open the ChatGPT app on your mobile device. Once you are on ChatGPT, tap on the menu icon located at the top left corner of the screen. This will open a side panel showing your recent chats. I am going to remove all these chats at once. At the bottom of this side panel, you will see your profile name along with your profile picture. Tap on your profile name to open the account settings screen. Now, scroll down and tap on Data Controls. A new screen will open. Under Chat History, tap on Clear Chat History. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you're sure. Select Clear Chat History to delete all your chats permanently. All your conversations will now be erased from your chat history.